Hey Hot Wheels General Motors fans, we're reviewing the Hot Wheels GMC Syclone from 1991. So this Syclone is compared with the Chevrolet S10, and this is a pickup truck, and the color of this truck is black. Syclone lettering on the doors and on the tailgate, and the Syclone and the Sierra and the Suburban and the Yukon from 1985, 86, 87, 88, and 89, and 1990, 1991 is from GMC Truck. And the design of this truck is from General Motors, and this is a two-door pickup truck. And there's also the GMC logo on the grill. So this truck is all black, and I really like that color because I really love dark colors instead of light colors, because I love those. The top speed of the GMC Syclone is 124 miles per hour, and the GMC Syclone is powered by a 4.3-liter turbocharged motor, which puts out 280 horsepower, and the drivetrain option is all-wheel drive. So, I do love GMC trucks of the 80s and the 90s, like the Yukon, the Sierra, and the Suburban, and the Syclone. And the C10 is a Chevy truck from 1991. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I would like to thank you all for watching my video, so please like, comment, and subscribe in the description box below. So thank you for watching my video, and goodbye. GMC Truck. It's not just a truck anymore. It's quality on the road.